afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga! Good afternoon, John!
Hello!
So, aalis tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo sa Oriental Shop. Oh, look at your car, honey.
Clean.
It's so clean. It is squeaky clean. Bye, girls! We will be back as soon as we can. Yung temperature is 5 degrees.
5 degrees and icy.
Did
you say
very icy.
You need some rice?
Yeah, we need some rice.
What, a bag of rice?
5 kilos only? What do you think?
You don't
Well, if we can find a 5 kilos, and we
well,
will
they're
get.
5 kilo ones, don't they?
Because you have 10, isn't it?
They're 5, 10,
And
20, don't they?
I don't know. I really don't know. We'll see.
We're ready.
Yes, we're ready. You look good. Somebody said you look like a pastor with this. A priest, I mean.
With what?
With this.
Jumper?
Like this, yeah. I read a comment one day.
Pastor. Pastor.
Oh, he's
well,
too...
News thing to pastor I am is something you eat.
He is too naughty to be a pastor or to be a priest.
Yummy and delicious.
It looks like it's gonna rain again, honey. Do you want me to get your glasses? Too late? Or you can manage?
I can manage.
You can manage. So, nandito na kami sa town. So, hopefully, we will get lucky and find the parking.
Well,
Oh, I can see someone is reversing out.
oh, reversing in, darling.
Oh, is it in?
I'm too excited.
I thought that's our parking waiting for us. Oh, look, it changed. The kitchen.
Yeah.
It used to be that shop, that Parkinson's. Parkinson. It used to be a kitchen stuff. Walang parking man, oy.
Disabled. Right, we'll have to do something different then.
Something different.
We'll have to try and go somewhere else then, won't we?
Okay. Nandito na kami sa car park.
Where's that?
I got my coin.
Can you put it safe?
I'll try.
No, try. Do. Because if you lose it, they make you pay a maximum.
How much?
No idea.
Do you get fined by losing the coin?
That's it.
Yeah, I think I can get that. Yeah.
Oh, I hope so.
I'm only little, you know.
Oh, plenty of room there.
Yeah, do you have a room there?
Oh, thank you.
Good. Right, are you ready? No? Well, we'll try these stairs there. They have exits there as well. And there. We'll try this one here. What's the problem, sir?
The roof, my feet.
Come here, there's a car coming.
Well, you ain't gonna come here, sis.
Oh dear. It's rubbing.
What we really need is to just walk down there.
Honey,
Oh, somebody walking. Oh.
it's more safer here, sweetheart. Come on, we use the stair.
Yeah, but that's where we ended up at, though. That's the problem. We don't end up in the right place.
Well, I don't know where we ended up.
In the right place.
We'll try.
What's
We'll
the quality
see.
of my shoes?
It just need wearing, honey.
Have you got something to say about them?
I said, it just need wearing. That's why it's probably rubbing you because...
Did you buy me these?
Yes, I did buy you that.
Oh, it must be quality then.
It is very quality.
To the shops. Can you see it?
Entrance to the
It's
shops.
in the wrong place altogether. We should have gone down there.
Oh, dead end.
That's the dead end. Oh, yeah. See, it's where we are now. Miles away.
Hey, no, we go here. Oh,
No, no.
oh yeah.
It's really rubbing the heel.
You need a band-aid.
No, I need more salt. You're not coming.
It's busy. Ito na yung shop. Open sesame. What do you have? Vinegar. Oh yeah, we need some vinegar. We need some soy sauce. Meron silang papaya, green papaya. Oh yes, we need this one.
What? Not one ton wrapper,
No, no, no. This one for the what do you spring rolls.
Do they have to be so big?
We can use that one, the little one. What do you think? They got two different sizes.
Just that small one.
Okay then, we'll have small ones. We'll get the small one then. That one.
What's that one?
That's 40, 30, and this is 50
Small.
pastries. Yeah. Smells fishy there. Very fishy. Look, they have tender, juicy hot dog.
What else? I've got soy sauce, I've got the vinegar.
They never really taste the same. Yung hot dog nila dito, it doesn't taste the same.
Tom yum.
What's that? Tom yum. What's tom yum? Yan. We need all-purpose sauce.
The hot and spicy one. And that is the non-spicy.
It's up to you, sweetheart. They're not really very spicy. What's wrong with you?
Time to say.
Oh, I want to try this. The Del Monte banana ketchup. We need to see the expiration date though.
Check it out.
Meron silang shrimp paste bagoong. And Jen said it's disgusting.
Mango.
Huh?
Sweet mango chutney.
Oh, that's good for the pork. Is it? Oh no, applesauce is good for the pork.
Oh, what's the difference? You could have mango, you could have mango and ginger.
Mango, I don't know, hun.
What's that? Minced.
Look, what are they?
What?
Are they like a pickled rice?
I don't know.
I'm curious as well. They're rice. I really don't know what are they.
I know that it's chili.
It's a vinegar
Spice.
with full of spices. What they got in there?
Just as cold. Isn't it?
What are you looking there? Milo.
This is Milo.
It's like a hot chocolate.
Really like
Well, it's a hot chocolate. Right, what we need, sir?
You don't need any concentrate, do you?
No, I don't need. This is actually good, you know. The lemon pepper salt. I put this in the pork.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I haven't got my glasses.
Get your glasses. Get your glasses, sir. Yeah, they got translation in there, honey, so you can read it.
What's this one? Pepper salt for chicken.
Wala, meron silang Argentina dito. Hot and spicy tuna flakes. Magkano? Ay, ang mahal. Uy, £1 and 50 pence. Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Yan.
You know what?
Shall we try this
What
one?
is it?
Hot and spicy tuna flakes.
thanks.
No, thanks.
Don't buy tuna.
Okay. Mga Filipino snacks. Ayan. Oy, tinitingnan niya yung dried mango. Do you fancy getting one?
Oh, I was looking for them. I didn't know the makes.
No other makes. I don't know what are they, but it's not for snacks. I don't think so. I think this department here is snacks, and I don't know what is this. Huh?
Mango, it's sweet potato.
Oh, I thought it's mango slices.
No, mind about-
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
It's busy today.
Well, you got to do that.
Good job that you're reading.
Good job I brought my glasses.
What is this anyway? Soft candy. Oh, that's it. That's mango.
That's mango, yeah.
So we try one of that.
I've had these in the packets. They're not as good because it's not natural. It's
Sorry.
got sugar in it.
Yeah. So why not? We're not trying?
I've tried. They're not good, honestly.
We got coconut jelly here. Look.
Yeah.
Sticky jelly. It's surprisingly that how many.
You must have some mango slices.
Don't know. Oh, he found it. Dried mango.
Green mango.
Oh, that's very similar to what we got. That dried mango.
But what's this one?
Well, it's still dried mango, it says.
Sorry again.
It's okay. Yeah, so I don't know. Shall we try that dried mango? It's been a while.
That's £2.40, and if you £1 there, it would be.
I don't know. That's £2.70. I don't know what's the difference, son. Oh, this must be this one. This must be a bit
green-
sour.
that's green
Yeah.
mango.
This must be a bit sour. I really don't know.
That's not
Yes.
green, though, is it?
Huh?
No.
Get this one, oi.
Right, a lot of these little bits in there. I'm not paying £2.70.
You're not paying £2.70. Try that. Just one. One packet.
Try it.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Go on, Jen.
Since you miss it so much. Look, they got a lot of, is that like bay leaves?
That's orange, isn't it? Why don't they cater for everybody?
What is this, honey, again? I don't know. What are they? They got plenty of stuff. Mostly there, oh, mga powder. Say any powder, they got everything. It smells so good here.
Tuna.
Meron kasi silang restaurant dito sa itaas. The preserve.
Look at these, look at them.
Tunip? What's tunip?
Look at these.
John.
Sweet.
No, it's tunip, not
Yeah.
turnip. It's tunip, it says.
Turnip.
Tunip, yeah. What's
Yeah,
tunip?
turnip. Turnip, I don't know.
Is it? I don't know. We're very curious kung ano ang mga tinitinda nila. Oh, I want this one. Sweet and style.
I need the other.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yes, they have a little rice. I'll carry the little rice.
I don't think so.
It's very heavy now. Five
5 kilos.
5 kilo.
I just want to get 10 and be done with it. That's 11 quid, isn't it?
Yeah, how much in the? How much is
I
the?
don't know, we'll have a look.
10.
We'll have a look.
1 kilo
You
spaghetti.
don't need any vinegar out, do you?
No, we got plenty. Buenas.
Have you not got those?
No,
Where are these? I never ever see them on the dinner plate.
don't worry. We'll have one. We'll make up and sit.
This is for Christmas.
Might do.
That's it, basket's full now. Stop shopping.
Stop shopping. Basket is full. Okay.
We're done then, haven't we?
So yung 10 kilo nila is 18 pounds and 50 pence. At yung 5 is 11 pounds and 50 pence. So we'll get the 10 kilo.
Which you take it?
We're done. We're paying. We will really be in trouble, hun. It's quite clearly says. Oh my God. You cannot read. Where are we going? Oh my God, honey. I will be in trouble. It says no. Quickly. We're very naughty. Trying to have a shortcut. We are doing. Thank you, Han. Thank you.
Scrub that.
Thank you. Right. We need to pay.
No. You pay at the station.
I need to get the coin. I'll pay the car park.
I've got change here. What, have you got change?
Yeah.
Have you?
Hold this camera, please.
How much change have you got?
Plenty.
Okay then. Nice, that. Let me see. Right. 150. Yeah. 50p to go.
So you can do them to take it back as well.
Don't forget this. We need this to get out.
Yeah.
Scary monster.
You're not vlogging properly. It's so busy, the car park. Hello, open the door. You always forget me.
No, if I don't open this back door first, that would have been open. That's what the problem is. Stupid.
Right, we're going home. So we paid £1 and 50 pence for the car park, and I will show you what we got from Oriental shop and how much we paid for.
30 fortune.
Fortune. No, I think we paid £38 something. Yeah, we'll see the receipt later. Thank you, Han. You know, the very first time when I landed here in UK, John have a rice, hot dog.
I had everything.
He had everything. But I ended up not liking the rice he bought for me because he bought like a kilo of rice
Special rice.
in Tesco. At yung rice na yun, hindi siya yung parang sticky ba? Parang hindi like jasmine rice. I think, what was it?
It was jasmine.
It was?
Well, they reckoned it was anyway.
I don't know. So yung rice na binili niya, hindi sticky, hindi katulad yung satin.
I hate this.
Yeah, I know.
My car doesn't like this.
The space here is very tight.
Understand me now. Still not too into there.
Hello, sweetheart. Mga bata. Sir, be careful.
Right, sir.
So ito na yung rice ko. Rice is life. At ito na yung mga pinamili natin. Si Pipa tumatahol kasi gusto na niyang lumabas.
See, look at her. She thinks she's big and strong. She's actually not. Well, it's your own fault, isn't it? You should let your husband do it.
Help me.
You say, help me, help me. You set off. Give me that.
Oh dear. It's so heavy.
It's 10 kilos. You think it was heavy? The way she goes on. 10 kilos. What's 10 kilos between friends? Nothing. We're going to have the fire lit shortly. See? She spilt the bag.
No, I did not. So,
Yeah?
honey,
There's a mouse.
she's so rude.
What? Wasn't me.
Oh, kailangan ko na itong ilagay sa freezer. So, mag-haul tayo sa mga pinamili ko mga palangga. Ito siya. Sorry, I spilled it. So, dried mangoes. Ito. Kasi namimiss na talaga ni Jan yung dried mangoes sa Pilipinas. Uy. So, 4... Sorry, wala akong tripod. Naghihintay pa ako sa tripod. So, 4 pancit canton na hot chili flavor. Saan ba yun? 4 yung binili ko. It's somewhere. But ito rin, bumili ako ng spaghetti sauce sweet style. Yan. Masarap. At ito rin. Naghahanap ako ng sukang pinakurat pero wala silang sukang pinakurat. Kaya ito na lang yung binili ko. Yung dato puti na sukang maasim. Yan. At of course, meron tayong Mang Tomas all-purpose flour. Ito pala yung yung pancit canton. So 4 pancit canton. Bumili din ako ng ito. Rice sticks, pancit bihon. Ito rin. Pancit canton. Masarap to. Bakit ang itim? Uy, against the light ako. At ito. Banana ketchup. At yung last item is ito. Yung sukang yung regular na suka na vinegar at yung dato puti na soy sauce. Ito kasi may spice siya. Nakikita nyo naman. Ito wala. Yung plain vinegar lang. So yung nabayaran namin, and of course, meron pala tayong rice. Yan. Meron tayong rice. So yung nabayaran natin sa lahat ng item, sobrang itim. Yan. So ang nabayaran natin sa lahat ng item is 38 pounds and 32 pence. So, medyo may kamahalan talaga. Uy, at ito lang yung mga napamili natin ba? Honey? John? Would you like a pancit tonight then? Where is my tripod? Have a look in our bedroom.
Found it.
Thank you. So, what do you think? Pancit tonight?
What's what you fancy?
Prawns. We have ham as well. I can put some
Yeah,
ham.
look, I can put prawns in.
Just prawns and cabbage and red bell pepper. Yeah?
Well, just whole pepper in. That's it.
Yeah, you can do. You can put it. Yeah?
Yeah.
And we can use the garlic bread. Yeah.
Coffee, madam?
Yes, please.
That's what it's worth. Dishwasher.
I'm here.
fire went like this.
Be careful, please.
This is what I put with. Here's your coffee. So your good husband gives her hedgehog some coffee.
Come here.
Yeah. Why don't you?
I don't need that. No, I'll leave it out because I need it later.
Oh, that's that again. Oh, there.
Did you have a good sleep last night?
Yeah, I did actually.
Thank you.
He's going to workshop at Christmas, Robin. You're in Panton Cansit.
Oh, what?
Pansit Canton.
Yeah. Yung vinegar natin, mga loves, it's leaking.
So we're using all this oil.
Not all that, John. Don't be ridiculous.
That'd feed an army, wouldn't it?
Not quite.
Right, I need to go let my sausages out.
Okay. So, nalilik yung vinegar natin. Ika-transfer ko siya sa old vinegar bottle natin. Ilalagay natin to sa ating recycle bin. Hinuhugasan ko yung mga plastic na pupunta sa recycle bin kasi pag hindi kasi hinuhugasan, mangangamoy sila doon sa laundry area natin. Lalo na pag mga tin, kailangan talagang hugasan. Titikman natin tong dried mango. Ang mahal niya ay, well, namamahalan ako kasi 2 pounds and 40 pence siya. Magkano ba yan? At 100 grams lang siya. Hindi ako sure kung magkano din yung dried mango sa Pilipinas. Yung same size. Kakalculate ko lang ha kung magkano siya sa ating money. So, 2 pounds and 40 pence times, let's say, yung rate is 65. 156 pesos sa 100 grams. So, mga palangga, paki-comment kung magkano yung dried mango sa atin. Kasi, parang ang mahal, oy. Well, mahal naman talaga kasi imported sila. Which is, I understand naman, pero you know, minsan lang parang naki-question tayo ba? Mabango siya, ha? Jen would like this. I like it. Bumili ako ng 2 battery. Kasi yung mga batteries ko ay palagi na lang nalulubat. Mostly yung 2 Canon battery ko. Kasi meron akong 2 Canon battery. And then, bumili din ako ng isang battery na hindi genuine. Nabili ko siya sa eBay, which is the same make dito. Kasi gusto ko lang i-try ba na okay ba yung hindi genuine. Kasi alam nyo naman, yung Canon battery medyo may kamahalan. So, nag-testing ako at surprisingly, yung hindi genuine, it worked the same sa Canon. So, ayun, bumili ako more of this. So, meron akong 5 batteries. O, diba? At it looks good naman kasi yung packaging, oh, it looks good. Babasahin ko lang yung manual nito kasi hindi ko na maalala kung kailangan pa ba siyang i-charge bago gamitin. Yeah. Completely charge the battery before use. So, kailangan natin itong i-charge. At yung packaging ha, in fairness, mukha talaga siyang, ano ba, proper battery. Yan. Sa 2, nabili ko siya, nabayaran ko siya 42 pounds and something pence. Tag 21 each sila, which is sulit, diba? Kasi, if you think about buying the original one, I think yung mga original na Canon battery, mga nasa 60 plus ata. Hindi ko na maalala, basta mahal talaga, uy. So, why not, diba? Kung makakasave ka. So, go for it. Hindi ko to pinopromote ha, or anything. At hindi ko sinasuggest na gamitin nyo to.